Hey guys, welcome back to RJ and the Fam! I'm RJ and this is...
Katie.
Did you forget your name?
Yeah, for a second.
Alright, so we just got back home from church and we saw that we had a My Geek Box waiting for us.
Another one. Geek Box.
Not Geek Fuel. Yeah, we already did a Geek Fuel video a couple days ago. And this is, we do them every month. And this is the My Geek Box. We're not sponsored by My Geek Box. We pay our own money to get this box. We just enjoy spending time together and opening this box and just seeing what's inside. So, you ready to get started? Let's do it.
Am I going to do about a knife?
Without a knife. Let's use this. Let me see. Let me do it. All right. Open it from that side. And as always, they'll get the first look. Alright, so let's dig in here and see what we got. The first one is, what do you think it's gonna be?
Well, there's always a t-shirt.
You think it's a t-shirt? Let's see. Ooh, we got the Power Rangers Yellow Ranger, the pop vinyl. This is really cool. It's Trinity, or Trini? I thought it was Trinity. I guess I'm wrong. Sad fact, the actress of the Yellow Ranger died in a car wreck. So, it's pretty bum. You could get all these different ones. I wish I would have got like the Green Ranger or the Red Ranger.
The Red Ranger is like the main ranger. I like the blue and blue and black.
But this one's really cool, man. This is a pop television, so it's a Funko Pop. Again, for the Yellow Ranger. I don't know, pretty cool. You like that one so far? All right, set that one aside. See what else we got.
Put that in the box, and we got.
Oh, we got a Batman Clayface. It's the Eekies. I always pronounce that wrong. Why am I repeating myself? So it's the Clayface. That one's pretty cool. Again, I wish I would have gotten Batman maybe, but I mean, Clayface is pretty cool. Nightwing's my favorite out of all the Batman series.
Nightwing?
Yeah, I love Nightwing or Robin. But I love Eekies. They're really cool. They look like they're hand carved again.
He looks like he's
see that? There you go. They look like they're hand carved out of wood, so that's really cool.
But well, like this kind of character looks like he's made out of clay.
Yeah, well, yeah, I guess that's true. All right, let's put that one over there. Let's see what else we got. I think this is the last one. No, there's two more.
Hey, you're cheating.
I'm just seeing what there is. I'm not cheating. All right, so this is a Rick and Morty official collectible coin. Yeah, I collect coins. I like collecting coins from around the world, but I don't watch Rick and Morty. So this is Evil Morty. It says speeches are for campaigning. Now is the time for action. I'm sure it makes sense if you watch the cartoon, but again, I'll probably give this one away. Speaking of which, we have all these boxes and all these collectibles, and some of the stuff we're just not going to collect, so we're thinking about doing a giveaway. If you think we should, comment down below, and while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would really help us out. Give this video a like, turn on the post notification bell. But if you think we should do a giveaway of all these geek stuff that we got, leave a comment, tell us how we should do it, and we'll do it. All right. So, all right.
Next thing.
Last one.
I know it's gonna be a t-shirt.
I don't think it's a t-shirt. I don't know. Could be wrong. It's a banner. What? Did I not just get this one? It's the Elder Scroll banner.
Maybe even keep them.
Focus. We just got this last month.
And what was this one? Oh,
It's the same one. Yeah, it's the same one. I'm pretty sure we got it from My Geek Box. I'm positive we did. Well, I'm not positive.
Yep.
But yeah, we already got this. Same exact one.
Let's see.
It's the felt, you know? You remember getting this?
Yes, I remember. Kind weird.
Kind of disappointed that we got the same product twice out of this. We got 4 products out of this one. Anyways, what's your favorite? We got the banner, the Rick and Morty coin. Let me move this out of the way.
I'm getting this.
And the 2, the pop figurine and then the Iki's figurine. Which one's your favorite?
I like the flag, like always.
You like the
feels
flag?
good, it looks good.
Mine has to be the Yellow Ranger. I like that one for sure. But anyway, so hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of, I don't know, disappointed in this box. Really, wasn't my favorite box. I don't know, just kind of having the same item twice just disappoints me. Yeah, just kind of stinks. But anyways, hope you enjoyed though. If you did, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos. Other than that, you got anything else to say?
Bye.
Alright, bye.